and we are approaching Playa del Alcanada. Located approximately 4 kilometers from Alcudia, and it's a more quiet and isolated beach that is looking over the lighthouse located in a small island. Let's see maybe if we can swim over to the other side and show you that part as well. But yeah, we are at the beginning of this beach, and we're gonna make a stop here for a swim before continuing on our walking journey on this wonderful 8th of May. Yes, this is Playa del Alcanada, and we are walking on this seaweed pile. So it's a seaweed pile mixed with pebbles, and that's the lighthouse of Alcanada over there. So yeah, pretty much sunny and nice today, with a little bit of clouds. Greetings from Playa del Alcanada, Mallorca Island, Spain.